In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make circular text using Figma. If you're new to Figma, don't worry, I'll guide you through every step, ensuring it's easy to follow and implement. To begin, let's navigate to Figma, which is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool. You can access the website through your preferred browser. If you already have a Figma account, simply click on the login button usually found in the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and you'll be directed to your Figma homepage, where all your recent and shared projects reside. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to enter the design mode. Look for the home menu and click on Design, which is typically located on the left-hand side of your screen. This will help you access the main workspace where you can start working with your designs. Now it's time to create or select the existing text you want to transform into a circular format. Select the text tool from the toolbar on your left, or choose the text layer you wish to modify. Highlight your text so we can apply the circular transformation. With your text selected, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on the Action button. This function applies several effects and plugins to your selected elements. Once you've clicked on Action, a search bar will appear. This is where you will type in Arc. Arc is a popular plugin in Figma that allows you to create text on a path, making it seamless to curve or bend your text as needed. When you find the Arc plugin in the search results, click on Run. This action will initiate the plugin, and you'll see options pertaining to your selected text. You'll be able to adjust the curvature to suit your design. Experiment with the settings provided by the Arc tool. You might want a gentle curve or a full circular rotation, and the plugin's flexibility is ideal for these customizations. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your text looks, click on Apply. This will set your design, finalizing the circular text effect. Remember, you can always tweak it further if you aren't completely happy with the outcome. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully created circular text using Figma. This technique is perfect for adding unique touches to your designs, and with practice, you'll be able to modify text into various shapes that match your creative vision. Remember to save your work and feel free to share your designs. Thanks for learning with me today, and happy designing in Figma.